How you going, guys? Foxy here. I've jumped the gun a bit because it's hard to do it one-handed, but I'll show you what you need to do anyway. So down here near the air filter box, I've got the bracket already installed. That bolt there is I believe it's a 10mm, and that one next to it, the nut, is a 12mm. You just need to undo those and slide this bracket on here and nip it up. And then what I've done is I've connected the hose to the catch can. This is just a drain. Fed it through the guard just under here, and I'll mount it up with the P-clip or something later on. Anyway, so that's all done. What I found was easier is to attach these hoses, so the bendy one, gooseneck one at the bottom, and then the L-shaped one up the top there. Takes a bit of adjusting. This bracket's got a bit of adjusting. You just undo that clip there, and you can put it up, put it down. It's a bit fiddly. Every car is going to be different. Alright, what I've done is I've taken the fitting out of there already and hooked it up to this on the end of the gooseneck there. So all it is a matter of doing is just pushing it in. I've already done myself a favour and taken the clamps of this. All we need to do is take that off. You'll need to take the top cover off as well, but I already jumped the gun there. So all it is a matter of doing is pushing that one in there like that, and then pushing this one on here like that, and then mounting the two bolts to the bracket, and that's it really. That's once I nip these up and all that, that's the catch can install. Should save the EGR getting blocked up. I had my 90,000 service done, and yeah, they said it was all blocked up, so they've, by the looks of it, put a new one on. Yeah, so happy days. So yeah, mate, I'll get this done and I'll have it running in action. Alright, catch you guys. See ya.